Hello everyone. Today we can discuss about the topic factors influence FDI. First one, supply factor. Second one, demand factor and political factor. Now we discuss supply factor. Firm invest capital in foreign country due to lower cost of business in foreign countries. This include production cost, logistics, availability of natural resources, availability of human resources at low cost, access to key technology. First one, production cost. Company invest in foreign countries in order to avail the benefits of lower production costs like low labor cost, land price, commercial real estate rent, tax rate, etc. Second one, logistics. If the cost of production from the domestic country to a foreign market is high, or the time to production of the products to a foreign market is long, then terms undertaking FDI. Next one, availability of natural resources. Company locate their production facility close to sources to critical input. Next one, availability of quality human resource at a low cost. High quality human resource contributed to high addition to the products and service. Further, if the if such human resources is available at low cost, the level of productivity in monetary terms is higher, and the cost value addition is still lower. Okay. Next one, access to technology. Firm go with the financial direct investment in order to have access to existing key technology rather than developing technology. Next, demand factor. Demand factor influenced by FTA. First one, customer access. Certain business firm, particularly fast food service oriented retail outlet, should be located their operation close to customers. Next one, marketing advantages. These are the marketing advantages include lower marketing cost, accessibility to hand, or in on experience regarding to customer and market headache, improving customer service, etc. Exploitation of competitive advantages. Company which enjoy competitive advantage through trademark, brand name, technology, etc., go with FDI in order to export his competitive advantages in various foreign countries. Next one, customer mobility. The company which have one or few customers sell the FDI statement along with their customer. Okay. Next, political factors influence FDA is political factors. A company enter foreign market through FTA in order to overcome the trade barriers imposed by the host country, and to avail incentive offered by host government. First point is awareness to trade barriers. Company established production facility in foreign market in order to avoid trade barriers like high effect of tariff, quota, etc. Next point, economic development incentives. Government at a different level, that is local, state, national level, offering incentives to attract domestic as well as foreign investment. This investment include a low tax rate, development of infrastructure facility, employee training program, etc. Next, we discuss cost and benefits of FTA. Benefits. Uh, uh, Foreign direct investment has its cost and benefits to home country as well as host country. First one, benefits to home country. Inflow of foreign country in the form of dividend, interest, etc. Improve balance of payment from inward inflow of foreign earning. Next point, foreign direct investment increase export of machinery, equipment, technology, etc. from the home country to the host country. Uh, Next point, increase the industrial activity in the home country, enhance employment opportunity. Next point, increase the technology from operating in a foreign environment. Next point, cost to home countries. First point, initial capital outflow to finance the FDI. Next, deficit balance of payment is the purpose of foreign investment is to serve home market from low cost production location. Still, reduction in home country employment. Next point, current accounting position of the home country suffer as foreign direct investment is a substitute for direct export. Now discuss benefits to host company. First one, resource transfer effect. The resources which are scarce in host country are the transferred from the foreign country. And these resources include foreign capital, technology, machinery, equipment, management, organization, etc. Next, employment effect. FDI contributed to the established new industry and business directly and for the employment of existing economic activity. Further, FDI helped for the development of outstanding industry. This development invariably increase the employment opportunity for the people at the whole company. Next point, management. Uh, by transferring knowledge, FTA will increase the existing stock of knowledge in the host country through capital training, labor training, transfer of skill, and transfer of new machinery, managerial, transfer of new managerial and organization practice. A foreign management skill acquired through FDA may also produce important benefits from the host company. Next one, effect of competition. The presence of foreign enterprises may greatly assist the economic development by domestic competition and thereby leading eventually to higher productivity, lower price and more efficient resources allocation. And Steven, balance of payment position and foreign technology, foreign exchange resources are very crucial from the viewpoint of external situation of country. Inwards investment will be usually help a country balance of payment situation. In international trade, another point is international trade. The impact of FDI on host country in international trade will differ depending on its move, whether it's the efficiency seeking, marketing seeking, resource seeking, or strategic asset seeking. FDI can have a great competition to economic growth in developing country by supporting export growth of country. Next, cost to hot country. Cost inventory competition. That means foreign multinational companies have more competition availability in view their large size, resources base, and widespread operation than those of domestic company. uh, the negative effect on balance of trade. Another cost to hot company. uh, balance of hot company in three ways. Foreign country repetitive in dividends in on their home country that affect in the current account. And next point, multinational company in the hot country export the goods from his subordinate from other country. This export result in a debit on the current account, balance payment of the hot country. Uh, Next point, some of the hot country where FDI has its effect insolvency and autonomy of the country. In fact, some of the multinational company destabilize the government in American country, but the economics of the advanced country dismiss these criticisms as groundless and irrational. Thank you.